Ideal fit for this.
It's a little sporty out here. We had about 16 knots of wind. Great day to go up the mast. Previously on Sailing Miss Lone Star, I dropped my antenna into the water from the top of the mast. Today, I go back up to replace it.
You like those? Oh yeah!
In other news, my friend Sarah comes to visit from California.
What?
It's 40 up here.
Remember, at any time I will bring you down, eh?
Is it turning? Yes.
We have some new visitors, and they're here to sail Moonlight. But first, we have to teach them how to sail. All right, hello, my beautiful darlings. I want you to write this down. I'm giving a sailing lesson right now. How am I doing, Had?
Doing pretty well. I think we've got
All right. Other people think that we're doing well too. We're going about a knot.
it. I'm flying.
How's your sailing lesson going? This is Ethan.
Going great.
All right.
Great. Couldn't be better.
All right, and this is Freya's first sail. How do you feel?
Laka.
So we got the old Pearson out. For you guys that don't know Moonlight, this is a 1970 33 Pearson, and we love her very much. Wave to me, girls. So today we sail in the bay in West Palm Beach. Back and forth, going about 2 knots. All right, here's the boy crew on the Moonlight. And behind me, you'll see the Little Miss crew. They're literally learning the ropes.
This boat could do with a boom bang to pull that down a little bit.
After an uneventful sail, we resume projects on Little Miss. We plan to set sail in just a few days. We have a very uncool saltwater pump leak underneath Bianca's bed. So I've got some rags under here. And Cyril is adding a brass fitting somewhere to make all this work out. Okay. One-handed on the camera. One hand to the sink. We're making a curry, which looks delicious. What are you working on out there, cowboy?
Deck washdown hose is like clogged up with black shit.
Okay. You want to take them out there and show them what you're doing? Here, take them.
You can take a look at this mess.
Girls bought a vacation for the day. Every other hole he made bigger. People, I would like for you to meet Had. Had, give us
Ham.
Ham. Show us what you're doing here.
I'm just pulling up the rope.
He said, I'll do that for you. And I said, not it. And then he looked down and he realized that it's 400 feet of line.
Yeah.
That just spilled his beer.
You gotta be careful what you agree to.
Yes, this is true. You're doing well. I believe in you.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
You guys want to see what's going on down here? This is a fantastic curry. It's probably going to burn their lips off if I'm honest.
Life on Little Miss right now.
I mean, it's happened to me before, but it just started like happening now.
Tell us what's going on, ladies.
We are cooking duck stir fry. We're getting a little gourmet up in this place tonight.
Yep. I'm making some peanut sauce. We're staying sanitary in quarantine.
She's never sanitary.
Hey!
And Freya is the dedicated butt sniffer.
We've got a new outboard engine. It's a 9.9 Mercury with an electric start. I really should have done this. 2020. I really should have done this a long time ago. And who can we thank for this? Boat Connections.
No, Johnson. for building shitty two-stroke.
No. Boat Connections in West Palm Beach, thank you so much. They even delivered it because we were self-quarantined. Actually, I don't really think it's a choice to be quarantined right now. But we're about to put her on and then take her for a little spin.
God.
Sorrel said he's stuck with a bunch of girls.
Oh darn. Wouldn't you want to be stuck with this?
Nice white bikini.
You like that? Oh, you mean red?
So what do you think about sailing?
This is great.
You gonna stay forever?
If I didn't have to share parental duties with another person, I would bring my kids and I would do this forever.
Yeah?
I would.
We'll get a bigger boat.
Yeah. Ben loves sailing, so he would absolutely. So when we retire, this is what we decided to do. Was for like 5 years, we were going to sail on a boat because he is all about this life, and then go around the world, and then buy one of those big ass, like, what do you call them? The commercial B motorhomes, and do it like that.
So I made the mistake of sending Sarah my hammerhead video right before she got here. I know, stuff is wrong with me. They don't want to eat you.
Sure they do. I don't think they can. Don't they have like little weird horseshoe mouths? It'd be a hard bite.
No, but they could give you a heart attack.
The water alone is going to give me a heart attack, and as soon as a fish swims under me, you can bet I'll be out of that water in 2 seconds flat.
Angel music. Hallelujah.
She's trying to jump the dinghy because she's so terrified.
She's like, wait a second, where are we going? Freya. She's like, I'll captain the dinghy. You guys are crazy.
Something really cool about this engine. This is the 2020 model. So we've got electric start here, long foot, but you can see there's no shifter for forward, reverse, and back. It's actually built into the handle. So neutral, if you twist the one way, you got forward. So it just takes a little bit to engage it. There, now we're in forward. And if you carry on twisting that direction, giving more and more forward, a lot quieter than that Johnson.
Heck yeah.
When you look out the window and you see that,
Cleaning the beard.
beard cleaning.
It's not coming off very easy.
You got such a white bum.
I know, I'm Irish. Do you think that we need like a scraper instead of this brush?
Do you like your paint job?
Yeah?
So I think the brush. And her helpful support if she falls into the water, Freya is there to bark at the hammerhead shark. At work, folding all her laundry. And some shaving going on up ahead.
Sarah's a little afraid of the water, and Bianca's very determined and convincing. So this is what we have going on. Okay, so how are you girls feeling at this moment in time?
Terrified?
Just swim.
No! I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna stand right here.
You look like someone that has to pee so bad they were eventually forced to get into the water because the toilet's broken, but now you're too afraid to pee.
It's okay.
Your tattoo matches your swimsuit.
Does it? Mm-hmm. It's all nice and red.
Oh yeah. All right, ladies, you're doing good.
Look at
We got the lifeguard here.
Look at Freya's
Are you lifeguarding? Oh yeah. So there you have it, the ridiculousness
Get up first.
of these girls.
No!
Searle has made this very sexy little, what do you want to call this, like coach house companionway cover so that we can affix the life raft to it and have like a little extra storage space on deck. This is such a nice job. He did such a nice job. It's very sturdy, so that is the project for today. I'm so proud of him. He's so handy. He's the best. So yeah, we got some nice teak up here. It's exciting. And then, oh, also he designed it to space these two pieces out so that later on, if we want to do more planks there, we can.
Look at that perfect.
Yep.
Look how beautiful that.
It's actually very pretty.
I'm about to blow your mind. minds right now.
Oh boy. Okay. Sarah's blowing our lunch minds. I don't know, it's like we go so many ways with that. Thank you so much to my patrons for making this new engine on the back of Little Miss possible.